Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us, we appreciate it. Please subscribe, let us know who you'd like us to draw for you. A basketball player, a football player, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you guys. Subscribe and follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Today we're going to draw Tyler Lockett of the Seattle Seahawks, wide receiver. He was selected third round in 2015 to the Seahawks, played college at Kansas State. He's a kickoff return specialist and a scoring machine. Pro Bowl, All-Pro, Superstar, Tyler Lockett, Seattle Seahawks. So let's get started. We're going to get our dark marker, our black. We're going to find the center of the page, and then move up. We'll do Tyler Lockett's head right in this area with a big smile. All right, here we go. We're going to start off with the jaw. Angle out, down, flat area for the chin, angle up, and angle up. So a couple of sideways ovals for ears on the side. We got one ear, we got another ear there, and now we're gonna do the head, kind of straight up, angle up. He's got kind of this rounded flat head area, so that's why it looks a little flat. All right, let's do some sideways ovals for eyes. One oval and two. On the inside of the eye, we're going to do a big circle. Leave those circles white. Those are the highlights. We'll do a smaller circle for the other highlight. Leave that and that white. Do a big arch, and then we're going to color in around these little shapes. I think the eyes are some of the most important parts to get down on a character. It really brings your characters to life. So we're gonna color those eyes dark and then get a light blue really quick. Pointed tip on the light blue and color in this area blue. This is the reflection of the stadium lights. This is the reflection of the blue sky maybe on our players. Adds a little interest. Awesome. And then we're gonna do an arch around the eye. These are the eyebrows. Tyler Lockett has a little thinner eyebrows, not too thick. So we're gonna do just a couple of arches, okay? Now bring the edge of this eye down and make a dot. This edge of this eye down and make a dot. That's the edge of the nose. So we're gonna do up, down, and up. Okay, we're gonna color in the sideways raindrops for the nostrils. Bump out for the side of the nostril there. Now Tyler Lockett's got this big, happy smile, so we're gonna go down, up, down, and out. So like a big elongated bird, so it's almost like a seagull, like a Seahawk. Down, up to a point, up, down, and up, okay? And then we're gonna angle the mouth down, flat, angle up into the mouth again, okay? Color in the corners of the mouth dark, and then down here we'll just do a line for the teeth, okay? And a lower lip. He's got a little chin beard. He's got some whiskers, so we're gonna scribble up and down for this his little chin beard going on here. Not too big, just a little one there. And he's got a mustache. So we'll do upper lip. And then a mustache that goes up and down and follows that lip. Out and drops down a little bit. Out and drops down. Cool. He's got a big smile, so we're gonna give him a little dimple. Down and in. His hairline's gonna go up. From the ear, goes angles up. And we're gonna color that in. He's got a small little hairline. I color that hairline in. Not too thick, Not too much, just a thin one on top. Awesome. Tyler Lockett's head, face is looking great. His neck kind of angles out, down to a V. Now we're gonna do some shoulder pads, bump out, shoulder pads, bump out and down, round off the shoulder, round off that shoulder, and then we're gonna connect to a waist. Straight across, up, and connect to the shoulder pad. Cool. So we're gonna do a big oversized football on this side. Bump out. And if we're going too fast, please pause or go backwards. Take your time, not a rush. Bump this football out to a point. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for fingers. And then a big bump out for his muscle. Connect to the football. Bump for the muscle. Connect to the football there. We're gonna do a big hand. There's the thumb. 1 finger, 2 finger, 3, 4, come under, bump up, connect to the thumb. And the same thing, we're gonna do his arm, bump out, and bump in, stop at that finger. Bump, stop at the thumb. There you go. So there was Tyler Lockett kind of doing maybe he's doing a stiff arm, who knows, but he's happy. Okay, so let's do the pants. Come down to the knee, round up, round at the knee and connect to the waist. Start wide at the knee and angle down, skinny, to the ankle and connect. Start wide at the knee, angle down, wide up here at the knee, angle down, and connect. We're gonna do some big oversized shoes. Bump, bump, that's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces, 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. Now we're gonna bring the toe clear out to the edge, drop down, straight across to the heel, and we'll stop. Connect the heel to the ankle. Bring this heel down. Same thing, straight across over the edge of the page. Bring the toe up and connect to the shoelace. Cool. Tyler Lockett, doing awesome, doing awesome. So what we got now is we got the, we're gonna get a gray color, pointed tip. We're gonna do the number 16, okay? So here we go, we're gonna go straight across for the 1, angle down, down, over. Bring it down and curve to a point, and come straight down. There's the number 1, Seahawks style. Angle down for the 6, come straight across, straight down for the 6, angle in, over, up, round, come up, and angle, connect. All right, and then a little square right here for the 6. Okay, cool. Another gray, straight across right here from this shoulder. We're gonna go straight in, angle down, straight out. Okay, same thing over here. Come up straight out, angle down toward the 1, and back out toward the arm. That's gonna be colored gray, that's gonna be colored gray, the number's gonna be colored gray on the fast forward. And let's see, we have some green to do. Let's get a fun, bright neon green for the Seahawks. They have this angle that's coming down from the neck. Boom. Follow the neckline, stop. Come up there, we're gonna color this in green. And then they got another stripe here. We got half circle, straight across to the shoulder. Come up here from the shoulder, kind of round half circle, and straight across. That's gonna be colored green, that's gonna be colored green. We're actually gonna outline the number in green. And then we'll color the jersey in dark blue during our fast forward, but right now we're just kind of showing you what's gonna be colored. And we'll do a green on the side of the pant here. Green on the side of the pant. All right, maybe we'll do some green stripes for the shoes. Awesome. Tyler Lockett, you're ready to rock. We're gonna fast forward. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Tyler Lockett, Seattle Seahawks, NFL football team. Let us know who you'd like us to draw for you next. Fast forward now.